Welcome back. In this walkthrough, we will explore the vendor features of Sattvatimes. Starting from the user homepage, log into your account. Navigate to your user dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, at the bottom, you will see a button labeled Become a Vendor. Click this to begin the registration process to start selling products or services. Step 1. Basic Info. Enter your business name, for example, Mukesh Services, and your owner name. Select the primary category for your business, such as IT and services. Enter your mobile number and email address, then click Next. Step 2. Location. Enter your PIN code. The system will auto-detect your area. Select your specific locality from the drop-down list. Verify the city and Step 3. Documents. Here, upload your professional business logo. You can also enter your details if you have them available, though these are optional at this stage. Step 4. Review. Check the terms and conditions box and proceed to the final step. Step 5. Activation. To activate your vendor account, a one-time fee is required. In this case, it is 100 Sattva Points. Click the green button to pay and register. Congratulations! Your registration is successful.